So hello guys, how are you doing? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Facebook page, right? So there could be a reason or there could be a situation where you just want to get rid of the Facebook page that you have, right? So in this case, you are easily going to delete these pages that you have, right? So I'm just going to show you right away. So here I'm on the Facebook pages, one of the Facebook pages that I'm currently working. And yes, I'm not going to delete this page because I'm working on this page and I'm promoting some real estate stuff through these pages. Okay. So first of all, let me just, you should understand that you should be on the home page of the page. So how do you get here? So for example, if you take my cursor here, on the top right corner here, there is an account section. If I click on this, so this pop-up opens here. This small menu opens here, right? So you will see all the profiles, including the pages, including your personal profile, right? So this is my personal profile, and this is another page, and there are a few more profiles if I click on this, but I don't want to go there now, right? And the few settings here, you will see, right? So you need to make sure that you are on the page that you want to delete. So I want to delete this first Berry page, so I'm on this page. So I'm on this page. So if I click on this button here on the left side here, okay, so the profiles informations opens up, right? So I can see the information and so on and so forth. So let's go back to the home page again. So this is how it looks, okay? So what you need to do is go back to here on the top right corner, click on this account section and make sure whatever page that you are going to delete is on the very top here, because if some other page is on the top buried, so it means that you are on another page, right? So you need to make sure the very first thing is here, the very first page is here. That means you are on the same page, right? So you want to delete this one. So make sure this is the one that you have here. So, and then down here, you need to take a look at the security and privacy. Click on it. Okay. Again, there is a security section. Click on it. Okay. Then new page opens out for you. Okay. So here is the new page. Okay. Here you can change the name and username, but you don't want to do that because you want to delete, right? So on the, let's say, left side, right under the page of the name of the page, there is a privacy section. Click on the privacy section. Then here you can see the people's and so on and so forth information. So what you want to do is underneath privacy, there is a Facebook page information section. Click on it. Okay. So here you can see at the very bottom here, deactivation and deletion, right? So you need to delete here. So you click on view button here. So you will be prompted with two options. Facebook will tell you to deactivate this, but not to delete it, right? But you know you want to delete it. So hit delete pages and continue. And Facebook will ask you for the password that you have for your personal account. You need to put that password. And within 30 days, the page will be deleted, okay? So during that time, if you go back to the page and you try to use the page, then the page will again be reactivated. So this will not be deleted in the next 30 days. So you need to make sure that once you hit the delete button, once you verify the password and complete the process, then you need to wait for 30 days to this page to be deleted. So you don't want to use anything in the meantime, right? So you need to just make sure that. So once you just do that, then what's going to happen is that it's going to be disabled from your pages, from your profile section. So you are not going to see the pages here. But in the meantime, as I already mentioned, if you go ahead and try to log in, try to use the same pages, this will again be reactivated and the 30 days and days will not be counted, right? Because you are still using it. So Facebook wants you to use it. Facebook doesn't want you to delete it. That's what the main focus of Facebook. So you want to make sure that. So this is all you need to do and you are ready to go. So in this case, as I already mentioned, I'm not going to delete because I really need this page, and that's all. All right. So I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. I will be back with another video. Till then, bye bye.